Hello, Flores here. Let me set this up. I should probably have prepared this, but I'm just gonna wing it and see how it goes. Normally, if you create HTML, such as strong, this text is displayed bold, and close the tag. So normally if you have HTML showing in blue here, like strong and close of strong, if you put that in the page node and save it, it would actually parse the HTML tags and show the content that's displayed in bold. So how you can prevent this is by converting the little characters here and here, the smaller than and bigger than, which you can consider HTML entities, to something that is just text. So it will render it as a character rather than this whole portion as a tag. So in the text editor I use, which is TextMate on the Mac, you can actually select all your text, and then I think this is the one. Yes, then you can say convert the selection to entities, and if you do so, you'll notice that the smaller than and bigger than is actually converted. So now if you put this inside the page node HTML template thingy, it will not render this as text, but it will rather say all of this stuff as just visual characters on the screen. So it will not parse the HTML tags and make the text look bold. So this is how you can do it. So if you have a bunch of stuff like a header and body and a div hi, and you need to convert all of these little characters, then I recommend to use a text editor that lets you select everything, and then which one is it? This one. Convert selection to entities. You can also do it in this program so the tags are respected and it's really just the content, but in this case we just want everything converted. So it looks a little bit confusing, but really this just says this character on the screen in the browser is gonna be quotes. That's all. So that's sort of how you have to do it then. Either that, or you have to make some sort of PHP callback that allows you to say just show HTML, and then you do your header style whatever, and then just show HTML, and then let it do it for you. That would also be an option, but this is not currently available in Xenforo and would require a custom plugin, a little bit of code, and I have no idea how to write that. I'm not familiar with it, but maybe somebody else on the zenfence.com community is. But I thought I'd demonstrate this to you so you know what I'm talking about, that if you have HTML tags, it will parse it unless you convert it to entities. And then it will just you will insert it like so, but visually it will output it as so, and therefore you can actually have HTML blocks or PHP code or whatever displayed on the HTML section on a page. I hope that kind of explains it. Personally, I would just create a thread and use code equals PHP or HTML in this case, and say div hi, and then you close your code, BB code, because in a browser that will display just fine. Code equals HTML, and then you can just put it in here. Let's go to more options. Oh, it doesn't preview it. Okay, I forgot about that. See, then it's displaying the code, no problem. And you can find all the BB code under help, BB code. Color, URL, image, media, list, center, quote, code. Here we go. You can use just PHP or HTML, but you can also do code equals PHP, code equals HTML. So that's a great way to display code like so, in a thread rather than in a node. I hope this is all helpful information. See you guys on xenforo.com again pretty soon. Keep posting.